Hey guys, welcome to this course, Android plus AWS Project 1. So this is the very first course, in which we will build a working project using Android and AWS. So Android will be our front end of the application, and AWS services will be used as the backend for the application. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the final project or the final outcome that will make easy for us to understand the course material. Okay, so let's get started. So this would be the application that we will be building throughout this course. So in the front page, okay, so let me just start the application. So yeah, so when I click on it, it will launch the application. It will show you the movies, the list of movies. So the list of movies will be fetching from the yeah, let me log in from the AWS console. Okay, yeah, so from the DynamoDB table, we are fetching this data. Okay, yeah, yeah, so from here you can see this is the data that we are showing currently to the user: movies 1, movies 2, movies 3, movies 4, movies 5. Okay, so when you click on any of the movie, it will go inside that and it will get the particular movie. Okay, it will show you the detail that we will be building. You can update the rating. So if you want to update, suppose currently it is 4, you can update it as for example, to show you the demo, I'm updating it as 10. So when you update it, it will be getting updated. It is updated successfully. When you click OK, you will be redirecting. And also when you refresh here, so you will be seeing for movie 2, it should get refreshed as 10. So for movie 2, it is updated as 10. Okay, in the similar way, you can delete the one particular movie. So before deleting, let me add one movie. You can add it. So for example, you can add it movie 10, description as action thriller movie. So let me write it: action thriller movie, action thriller. Okay, price is for example 100 rupees and rating would be, let's say, 4. I'm adding movie, it get updated. Okay, so when it has been added here. Okay, so this is the movie. You can click on here, you can see the detail. When you refresh at the AWS console, your movie has been added. Okay, so this is your movie 100, movie 10. Currently I'm using the same images for all of the movies, but in the course we will see how we can load the different images for different movies. Okay, so we will be implementing that thing. So let's go into the movie 10 and let's delete that movie. So just I'm clicking on delete. Okay, so it will be deleted. So when we refresh our data in DynamoDB, okay, so it will be deleted. Okay, so it has been deleted now. So this is how we will be implemented all the CRUD operation of the application using the DynamoDB. And to connect that thing, we have used the API gateway. Okay, so here is the API gateway thing that we have used. Just let me show you. So these are the endpoints that we have created. So we will see how we can create these endpoints, and also the lambda. So we have created these lambdas. Okay, so that we can connect. So we will see what is the role of lambda and the DynamoDB and API gateway for that, and all the technologies that will be used for the web application uh, for the final project. Okay, so to implement this project, first we will be acting as a backend developer and develop the APIs endpoints which will be provided to front-end developers. Okay, and then once our APIs are ready or the completed, we will be using as the front end. We will be acting as a front-end developer to create the mobile, UI and consume the APIs to handle the real-time data. Okay, so that will be our thing. Okay, so if the project is clear to you, let's understand the architecture, tools and technologies that we'll be using in this project. So let me go into the Medium blog that I have written. So okay, so this one. So in this Medium blog I have written the overview of the application and the short mobile UI demo. Okay, you can go through and you can see. And here I have I have created this architecture. So let me explain you quickly. So in this thing, okay, so you see like from the Android application side, so this is the Android application side, this is the AWS side. So from the Android application side, you will be first seeing the, this is the your UI screen or the activity. Okay, it will be it will be, you know, communicated with view models. So we will see what are the view models are. Then we will create a layer, that is the repository layer, that will be interacting with the retrofit library. So retrofit is the retrofit library is the popular library in Android ecosystem, which is used to fetch the, you know, data from the from the server. So that is used for basically to fetch the data, to post the data to the server. Okay. Okay, so from the AWS side, we will be using basically three main technologies, that is the API gateway, the Lambda functions, and the DynamoDB. So DynamoDB will be used to store the data permanently. Lambda functions are used to compute the, you know, to provide you the compute technology to your application, and the API gateway will be used to handle the APIs. Okay, so we will see all these things in a very detailed manner, and in a very practical way, how we can create, what is the use of this thing. Okay. Other than that, we have one more thing, that is Swagger. So we will write the YAML file that will be acting as a contract between the front-end developers and the back-end developers. Okay, so that will be, that is the API definition that we will be doing. Okay. Okay, and one more thing, like in the Lambda function, you know, we can write the code in many different languages like Java, Go, Python, Node.js. So in this course or in this project, we will be using the Node.js language, okay, to implement the our Lambda functions. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so that's it. I think that's it for this video. In the next video, we will start you know, understanding the backend technologies and the AWS services in a detailed manner, and we'll start implementing with Swagger, and then DynamoDB, and then Lambda function, and then API gateway. So first we will complete our backend thing, and then first, once our APIs are ready, then we will see what are the front end thing that we need to develop for this project. Okay, so if you are interested, then please follow me along. Thanks for watching.